Indian Railways have taken various steps for the safety and security of passengers in trains as well as the railway stations. RRSK, which was introduced in 2017 to 2018, allocated a corpus of rupees 1 lakh crore over 5 years for critical safety asset replacement, renewal and upgrading. By 2021 to 2022, over rupees 1.8 lakh crore was spent on RRSK project. The ministry has enhanced the safety of train operation by installing interlocking level crossing gates at 11,093 level crossing across the nation by May 2023. A GPS-based fog safety device is provided to loco pilots in fog-affected areas, which enables loco pilot to know the distance of the approaching landmark like signals, level crossing gates, etc. The Indian Railways has also shared detailed instructions and protocols on signaling while emphasizing the mandatory correspondence checks, alternation work procedures, and completion drawings.